Hi everyone, welcome to another section of Dense Stocks and Business. Here I discuss last week's analysis of Indian stock market. I appreciate all of you to watch till the end and do share and subscribe. Let's look into the market indices which are S&P Census and Nifty 50. Clearly, the market consolidated this week. Nifty 50 in a range between 10,700 to 10,950 level and Census stayed in 40,400 to 40,800 level. Both indices continued the positive momentum. The Census gained 702.52 points, in which is 1.76% in last week, and Nifty 50 added 167.95 points, that is 1.45%. Interestingly, the Bank Nifty index had a very good week and added 645.05 points from 23,828.90 to 24,473.95, that is a 2.71% gain, which is outperformed the benchmark indices. Even though the Census and Nifty had recovered from pre-COVID level to reach almost close to that level, the Bank Nifty index far behind the pre-COVID level, which was around 32,600 above. Gap between the current level and pre-COVID level is 8,134.80 points. It reveals the possibility of upward movement of the banking sector and will contribute the market indices as well. On Monday, we heard Kalyan Jewelers, a jewelry showroom brand from Kerala, got the permission to do IPO from the market regulator SEBI. You can check the initial details of that from my video, which is shown in the I button up. Equitas Small Finance Bank had opened their initial public offer on October 20 and ended on October 23rd. As per the exchange details, the IPO received bids of 22.57 core equity shares against the offer size of 11.58 core equity shares, and it may listed on both stock exchanges on November 2nd. Everyone knows Burger King and McDonald's, right? Their key supplier, Mrs. Bector's Food, files for a ₹500 core IPO. Great news. Let's get into some stock which I personally hold and track. I have some Tata stocks, and we could see many Tata stocks recapture the loss from COVID-19 level. Tata Steel had gained 6.1% last week from the level of 399.15 to 423.45. Another Tata stock is Tata Chemicals. It's consolidated around 320 to 322 level and hope to upward and reach to 350 plus level. Tata Motors had a gain of 5% last week. Apollo Tyres had a substantial gains. It grows 16% from the level of 128.60 to 149.15 level. State Bank of India achieved 3% gain last week. Amara Raja Batteries Limited gained 5% from 721.65 to 758.50. Voltas consolidated around 700 to 705 level, but reached 719 during the week, so more uptrend possible. Larsen & Toubro Limited gained 4.4% last week, but it is still consolidating around 800 to 1000 for a couple of months. Still, this stock under the 52-week high, which was 1491.95. I hope you enjoyed my section. Do let me know by your valuable comments. Thank you.